In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome open in incognito mode by default. This is a simple trick that can save you time every day, especially if you prefer private browsing, want to keep your sessions separate, or just don't want Chrome opening in regular mode every time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, completely close Google Chrome. Make sure every Chrome window is shut down before you start. This is important because if Chrome is still running in the background, your shortcut changes may not work the way you expect. Next, find the Google Chrome shortcut you normally use to open the browser. You can look on your desktop, in your taskbar, or even in the start menu. The goal is to find the actual Chrome shortcut icon that launches the browser. Once you've found it, right-click the Chrome shortcut and choose Properties. This will open the shortcut settings window, where you can edit how Chrome launches every time you click that shortcut. Now look for the target field. This field contains the file path Chrome uses to open. Go all the way to the end of the line right after chrome.exe. Then add one space and type --incognito. So the command should look something like this: chrome.exe-incognito. This small addition tells Chrome to launch in incognito mode whenever you open it using that shortcut. It's a very useful setting if you want a more private browsing experience right from the start. After that, click Apply, then click OK to save the changes. At this point, your shortcut has been updated successfully. Now double-click the same shortcut you just edited. If everything was done correctly, Chrome should open directly in incognito mode instead of regular browsing mode. If you want this to work every time, just make sure you always use the edited shortcut. You can even pin that shortcut to your taskbar or keep it on your desktop for quick access. And that's it. You've now learned how to make Chrome open in incognito mode by default using a simple shortcut edit. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and leave a comment if you want to see more Chrome tips and tricks in the future.